barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. Now, just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my Signal service, please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. But let's have a look at the crude oil market here. We did initially pop at the start of the day. We went as high as $97 a barrel. But we have just recently paired those gains, and we currently find ourselves trading pretty much flat for the trading session at around $95.40 a barrel. Of course, later on this afternoon, we have the Fed minutes meeting where they're expected to hike interest rates by 75 basis points. There is even some analysts anticipating the full point, the 1.00 basis point hike. If we were to get the 1.00 basis point hike, so the full point, then I would potentially anticipate that we could break down lower here below the 200-day EMA. But the good news for the bulls here is that I do not believe that's going to happen. I think that we are looking at a 75 basis point hike, and it could potentially spark a nice rally in the crude oil market. So I would be buying going into the meeting today. I think that we will hear the Fed come out and say that they don't anticipate a recession to happen anytime soon. And the reason I say that is because we had Janet Yellen come out over the weekend saying that there's no signals of a recession. So I think it's just the inverted 2 to 10 year and 5 to 10 year yield that's kind of sparked investors. I personally believe that we are going to have one, but I think that Jerome Powell would come out and maybe signal that there's no signal of one occurring anytime soon, and I think crude oil could potentially rally on that news. So I would be buying crude oil once again going into the Fed minutes later on this afternoon, as I do believe it could spark a rally up towards $100 a barrel. So I'm a buyer here for crude oil.
5 million barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.